everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going for a clubbing night out makeup look. Stay tuned, I hope you guys like it. So for this look, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the color Eden, I think. But that's the color I'm starting off first. Okay, so once I'm placing that color on there, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the color Saturn. It's a more darker looking orange. And here all I'm doing is buffing that color Saturn outwards. By the way guys, I forgot to mention, on my eyelids I am using Morphe brushes. So once I'm done with that color, I'm going to go in with the color Eternal. It's so pretty. And I'm just tapping it down on the eyelid. Now for eyeliner, I am using the Kat Von D liquid liner. It's pretty matte, so it's really good for this look. Now for lashes, I'm going to be using the Bombshell Luxury Lashes. These lashes are so pretty. I feel like once I put them on, my eyes look so big. Now to prime my face, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Repellent Face Primer. Guys, and please do excuse my skin. I still have some blemishes going on, but you know what's okay because I'm working on it. My skin will get better. Now for foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Warm Beige. Now to apply this foundation, I am using a foundation brush just because I feel like I wanted more airbrush effect. Now for concealer, I'm using the Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Medium 1 Custard.
Loving can heal, loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that.
Now to bake my face, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Translucent Powder. Guys, I love this translucent powder so much. I recommend it to anyone. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Guys, this bronzer is so amazing. To begin with, it smells so good. And plus, the shade that it comes in, it's so natural. It just gives you that perfect bronze look. Now here, I'm just dusting up the translucent powder.
Inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer.
Now for the blush, I'm using the NYX Baked Blush in the color Sugar Mama. Guys, this color is really nice. It complements the cheeks very well, especially with the eye look that I'm doing. Now I'm going back with the color that I used in the beginning, Eden. And I'm just going to put it under my lower lash line just to give my eyes some more intensity. So I wanted to look even more darker, so I'm using the color Obsidian and putting it right on top of the color Eden. Now here I'm just blending both colors. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm using the Maybelline New York The Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Now we can't forget the lips, so I'm using Bobbi Brown in the color Neutral Rose. So clearly that color was not going to do it, so I had to put another one on top. And I went in with the color Bestie by Tarte. Okay guys, so I'm all done with the look. I hope you guys liked it. I had so much fun with it. I hope you guys had fun watching. Leave your comments and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe guys, and we'll keep coming with more videos, so stay tuned. Don't miss out on the things we have coming for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys later. Bye.